Thanks for joining us today. Wanted to go over drag and drop for Salesforce. There's a lot of sales apps out there, and we built this 2 years ago for sales folks to quickly be able to drag anything that comes into their email into Salesforce really quickly. So, for example, a contract, any type of notes or any type of PDF or content into Salesforce. So this is the number one app in the Cazoomi universe out there. Got thousands of customers. Everyone loves it. It's really simple to use. And one of the new things that we put into the app this fall, in fall 2013, was the ability to click on the URL generator and quickly get that long code to put on any standard or custom object in Salesforce. So once you install drag and drop for Salesforce and give access to everyone in your Salesforce org, then quickly you can have any legal be able to use it to drag and drop documents into Salesforce. You can have your sales folks be able to use it. Any of your support folks can also use this app to quickly drag and drop documents that everyone needs to see into Salesforce right from their desktop. So imagine this: once it's installed, you've got a contract coming in, or you've got documents, PDF content coming in. You can quickly drag that into a Salesforce, let's say opportunity, which we'll go over shortly. And then everyone in the org can go to that opportunity and see, is there an NDA in place? What documents have been attached to it? Is there any important emails that you save to your desktop and then dragged into Salesforce for it? So in this case, we're going to install the new version, fall 2013, which is 1.13, and we'll see how it works. So I'm sure, one of the top apps out there that a lot of our customers use is Hoopla. Another one out there is Talent Rover for talent management. And so a lot of these reps, or let's say sales folks for these apps, quickly use drag and drop to drag in all their documents to that opportunity or that candidate file in Salesforce. So let me show you how they do that quickly without being a programmer. So of course you can look at some of these example formulas, but the quickest way to drag these into Salesforce is just to create a button on the object that you're currently using. So in this case, we're going to go over the sales side of the house in Salesforce and create a button quickly to drag and drop documents from your desktop or anywhere into Salesforce on the opportunity record. So if I go down to opportunities, I'll just find that there. Okay. And then when I click the generate URL, voila, I've got this long code that I can quickly copy and paste and put into a button on the opportunity record in Salesforce. So what this allowed me to do is anyone that's dealing with that opportunity can quickly use the button I'm about to create for you. So I go over to my opportunities, and as long as I have this permission here, I can go in and click at the very top. You'll see a new button or link up there next to new action. So I'll just click that, and it should pop up for me here. Okay, so in my case, at Cazoomi, I drag a lot of documents around contracts. So let's say it's a contract or an NDA with a partner or a subscriber dealing with SyncApps by Cazoomi. In this case, we're just going to show you how I, the sales guy at Cazoomi, is quickly able to add a button in Salesforce. There you go. So I just cut and paste that long URL in there and click Save. Now, this button will allow me to, on the opportunity record, to drag the documents. In this case, it's an NDA that I just received from one of our partners out there, Bronto. So I'll go over to Opportunities. See where that's used. Okay, so that's fine. And then I'll head over to the opportunity, and I'll be able to edit this layout. So once you click Edit Layout, you can see that the button doesn't exist. So I've got a couple of different custom buttons there. We're a big NetSuite partner, so we've got a lot of buttons around that. If you look at the Salesforce side, I'll quickly add that Add Contract. Pull it over to the left-hand panel so everyone can access it really quickly, and then click Save. So now I just need to open up on my desktop, find that opportunity in Salesforce, and then on my desktop, I'll find that file that I just got, which is the NDA, and add that to this opportunity here. So I'll add a contract, pull up my desktop files, and I'll quickly be able to drag and drop that in there. Now you can highlight multiple files on your desktop here. I'm just showing you one. They can be any type of content, PDF, Word file, Excel, email files. You can just drag and drop those and click that. And now you see that I've got that attached to that specific opportunity. And now everyone in Salesforce can see that we have an NDA in place, and this opportunity stage can also be updated as well, because once we get that NDA, then we can move forward. So we have marketing lists, which is a free app. You can put these documents on those, leads, accounts. So head over to AppExchange and see, you can just type in Cazoomi or drag and drop and see the app over there. You can see that we also work with Talent Rover, who is a big partner of ours in San Francisco. We built the MailChimp app as well for Salesforce to MailChimp. So take a look at it. Let us know what you think about the drag and drop for Salesforce by Cazoomi. If you click on the more there, you'll see that you should go down and you will see that we just installed drag and drop for Salesforce. A lot of apps out there. This is one of the top ones that we have in the system. Thank you.